In the heart of the jungle, silence breaks beneath the watchful gaze of a winged predator. Slithering through shadow and silence, the serpent prepares for war. Predator locks eyes with predator, instinct meets instinct. Quilled and cold, the cobra wades beneath the leaves, poised to strike. With no warning, chaos erupts, talon meets fang in primal combat. Steel-like talons crash down on serpent scales, the battle begins in blood. From above, the bird strikes like lightning through the canopy. Venom flashes, the serpent strikes with furious precision. Feathers rip and scales shatter as nature's fiercest collide. Locked in combat, they crash into the vines, tangled and unrelenting. Wings crash with thunderous force, shaking the jungle to its roots. A deadly dance begins, measured steps, fatal intent. A single breath divides life from death, the stillness before the storm. The cobra strikes, and misses death by inches. The bird lashes out with blinding speed, fury focused in its beak. The ground shakes under the rage, the jungle trembling in terror. The serpent's last hope, a desperate coil in the shadow of defeat. With a final cry, the bird brings justice from the sky. The serpent falls, breathless, broken. The jungle echoes with the cry of triumph from its own warrior. Wounded but undefeated, the bird walks into legend. The battle is over, and the jungle holds its breath once more. The serpent falls, breathless, broken. The jungle echoes with the cry of triumph from its own warrior. Wounded but undefeated, the bird walks into legend. The battle is over, and the jungle holds its breath once more. The battle is over, and the jungle holds its breath once more.